Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your headphones Philips available for your Android device? So I already installed and set up the only one application what Philips offer for the headphones. It calls Philips headphones, but if you open it we cannot check list with supported devices, and as you can see, nothing. But we can check it at the Play Store. We need to open Play Store, find Philips application, so go to the search, write Philips at the search, and you need to open Philips headphones application. Right here we have a list with supported devices. So our model is TAH8506. And if we find this model at this list, meaning the application available. So right here we have TAA, TAE, TAH. So right here, right here we have these headphones. So my short answer is yes, the application for your earbuds available for your Android device. Now, if you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add these headphones to the application, you can check videos at this channel. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!